everybody, Cutting Crew people. It's Tony here, and I'm here for day number 4. So excited. I didn't get one of these, so I'm missing out. So I'm going to have to just play along. But you got it. So open up your number 4 box. Let's pull. Let me. We did organize. I just want you to look. I'm pretending that I'm looking for it because look, it's right here on top. And Tamara, if you saw the episode a couple days ago, she had problems. They took off the tie because they knew I'd have more problems. So we're good. We're good. So day number 4, it's got that big old 4 up there. Have you been posting pictures or videos in our Cut Up and Sew crew on Facebook? We'd love to see. I want to see Christmas tree pictures with that ornament on it. I think it'd be so fun to see. So anyway, I'm just yakking. I'm just killing time. So, I'm wearing my purple hat. I got my wine shirt on. I'm ready for the holidays. And look, purple wrapping paper. It was meant for me. So let's see what's in number 4. Lots of wrapping paper. This is kind of cool. At first, I thought it was perfume. It's not perfume, just so you know. It's a traveling sewing kit. It's really cool. I'm hot already. Hot hat. It comes with little scissors, a seam ripper. It's perfect for travel. It's great to, if you don't need one of these, guess what? You can re-gift. I'm just saying. You don't have to keep everything in the bag for yourself. I would, but you know, you don't have to. But there's some really, these are really cool. I'm going to open these up so I can see them better. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm going to pretend I know what I'm reading. Oh, it's just one label. So this is a sew-in label. So it's something to add into your quilt at the end. It's like, well, this is kind of interesting. I have to be careful. It's got a potty word on it. So I'm going to just say it and see if the beings above will blop out what I'm going to say. It says, well, beep. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed today's day number 4, 25 days of Advent. Stocking bag. We're having fun with just renaming it as we're going along. So, and we're only on day 4. It's going to have a great name by the end of it. Come back tomorrow for day 5 and see what we have in store for you then. Bye, guys.